So today I'm about to show you how to find help articles inside the NotebookLM app. First, log into NotebookLM and look at the top right hand corner of your main workspace. Click directly on the settings gear icon and drop down menu will instantly appear. From the list. Click on the option labeled NotebookLM Help. The app will immediately redirect you to the official interactive NotebookLM Help Center portal. Here, you can click on the Fix Your Problem category or the Frequently Asked Questions section to browse through indexed troubleshooting guides, regional availability rules, and account requirement documentation. Pro tip: if you're already inside a specific notebook and need a quick functional overview without leaving your research session, look at the bottom left panel and click on Notebook Guide button. And that's it. That's how to find help articles inside NotebookLM app. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.